Timu and the Plant Thieves. Timu lived in a small house with a yard. One day, Timu came back from school feeling very excited. She put on her dungarees, gumboots, and a hat and said, Mummy, Daddy, look! Why are you dressed like that, Timu? Her father asked. I want to grow my own vegetables, she said excitedly. That sounds like a very good idea, said her mother. So Timu and her father chose a place in their garden where Timu could start her garden. Timu and her father worked together in the garden. They used a garden fork to break up the hard ground. This made the soil soft for planting seeds. The next afternoon, they planted carrot, tomato, spinach, and bean seeds. Every day after that, Timu was excited to come home from school and water her garden. But one day, Timu came home and saw the goats were in her garden eating her plants. Timu chased them away. Mommy! Daddy! The goats are eating my vegetable plants, she cried. They made such a mess. Timu thought for a while and then she said, Let's build a fence around the garden. Her father thought that was a good idea, so that is what they did. But the trouble didn't stop there. Oh no. The cows were clever enough to open the garden gate with their horns. Mummy, Daddy, she called, the cows are eating my vegetables. Her father came and chased the cows away. Timu thought for a while. Let's lock the gate with a padlock, she said. Her father found a padlock to lock the gate with. Timu had solved the problem with the goats and the cows, but then she saw that the birds were also eating her plants in the garden. I know, she said. Let's put a net over the garden and tie it down so that the birds can't get under it. And so this is what they did. The plants in Timu's garden grew, and soon the vegetables were ready for the picking. Timu helped her mother cook a tasty soup of carrots, tomatoes, spinach, and beans, and the family all enjoyed a meal that had come from Timu's garden. What a good job you've done, Timu, said her mother. Timu felt very proud, and that is the end of my story.